I chose to study international and European law because I wanted to study law at an international level, not in one specific jurisdiction, and I'm very interested in human rights and international criminal law.
So I did not want to do just the total academic part as a usual university, but this applied sciences was really interesting for me because I want to know how to apply what I learn.
So students, as of day one, they start immediately in a practice-oriented way in law. So that is first of all very inspiring for students, that they immediately produce something.
The lectures are quite challenging. We go into depth quite a bit. We have 2 projects per year and we work in our tutor groups.
So it's small groups which meet once a week next to all the normal lectures, which is really nice because you have one professor who is the person you know you can talk to if you have problems. It's like a safe place, especially at the beginning when you have questions, when you feel insecure.
We have a very diverse student population body and a very diverse lecturer population body. And that means that actually the world comes together in this program and you immediately have, as of day one, this intercultural experience.
We have about 45 different nationalities and it's very good because we all speak English and we all get to meet people from different cultures and work with them in projects in our tutor group.
It is sometimes not easy to have many different nationalities. The priorities are often different depending on which culture you have or the attitude to work.
You'll have to deal with the difficulties that come with that, and that is understanding each other, questioning each other, really trying to make use of the diversity and to strengthen that in this situation, a legal approach.
The fact that the university is situated in The Hague is really an advantage because it's close to all the institutions, you can easily access them, so it's really nice to be in The Hague, the center of international law.
Please be seated.
We promote very much new ways of teaching, so we are quite well investing in experimenting with flipping the classroom. What we also do is we encourage students to participate in their own learning environment, so we support student initiatives.
So I hope we'll have a nice discussion on the topic about the trafficking human beings in the human rights context.
We really value those kind of initiatives from students because it actually says and shows that they're very powerful and also we can learn from them again.
The school really helps us to build a network and to show us what it would be like to work outside of the program when we finished our studies, with possibilities to visit cities like Brussels or Geneva with our professors, with guest lecturers.
The talk will be about Brexit and external relations of the European Union.
And especially in this regard, the Employment Network event. There we invite many employers, other universities and professionals, and there it's all about networking. In the third year you have the possibility to do an exchange semester. This means you do your studies not in the university in The Hague, but you go abroad to one of the partner universities in another country. I myself went to south of France, to Bordeaux, to especially study in French as well, because the language French is really important for international studies as well. There are some in China and America, the UK, all over the world, which makes it really diverse.
Climate change is indeed one of the greatest challenges of our time.
Legal problems don't stop at the border, and legal problems are usually resolved by people around the globe. So you have to have the competencies to do that in a good way, and we are working on embedding that extra in our curriculum.
To be a good law student, you have to have concept of global citizenship. You have to be very open-minded, very critical, and you have to be very confident with your studies and with your public speaking, with your writing. So it takes a lot of effort to be a good international law student.
Hello, hi. You should study law when you're interested in an international field to get to know other cultures and people from all over the world. And if you want to know about international and European law, this program is perfect.